Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we would be discussing about critical section. So let's consider here that we have a global variable named as int student is equal to 0, and this is an attendance register of a school where each class gives its total number of students present and the total number of students absent. So we increment student at every point. For example, if a particular class is given that there are X students present, so we increment X, and if they have given that X students are absent, then we decrement X. So in this example, we can see that the race condition might occur around the variable student, because here we have this student is equal to student plus X and student is equal to student minus X, as we saw in the previous video how race condition occurs. So basically race condition occurs on those variables which are shared among more than one process. So in this process P1 and P2 we have student as the shared variable. Now what basically is critical section? So critical section is the part of code where we access the shared variable. So let's say that this part we can clearly see that this is the shared variable part of the code where we are accessing, and here this one. So now these two are the critical sections. These are the critical section. The remaining part of the code that's not in critical section is known as the non-critical section. So these are the non-critical section. Now to prevent race condition, we implement various logics so that we don't get this race condition. So those logics are implemented around here, that is just before and after the critical section. So what are these sections now known as? So the one that is before critical section is known as the entry section, and the one that is after the critical section is known as the exit section. So that's it for the basics of what various sections are and what is critical section. So what's the most important in this is the critical section, which is the part of code where we access the shared variables. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video with some different topic.